Hello everyone, welcome in today's newspaper of Thursday, May the 7th, 2020. We have Sudoku with 1 star, with 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary Sudoku, and a tectonic Sudoku. So total of today's newspaper, there are 5 Sudokus to solve in the additional of this newspaper. Yes, so we will start with the first Sudoku, a Sudoku with 1 star. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. An 8 in this column, and 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for an 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only 1 place for the 8 should be there. Let me see. A 4 in the last column, a 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then this big square. Oh, wait, no, yes, this big square. We have 5 missing numbers. 2 of them are the 7 and the 1. So no 7 and the 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 and the 1 should be here and there. I marked them because those are pairs. That means the other 3 numbers are the numbers 9, 5, and 1. 9, 5, and 1. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9, 5, and 1. No. 9, 5, and 6. 9, 5, and 6. 9, 5, and 6. That means these 2 numbers left in this row, 9, 5, and 6, are the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. And then how about 2, 2, 2? 2 in this column, a 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row above, the only place for the 7 should be here. We have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 1. This should be a 7. Then 3 numbers are missing in this big square. The numbers are 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6s. 6 in these two boxes. 6 should be here. The 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Yes. 6, 9. And then this 6, 8. How about 5 again? No. Yes, we have a pair here. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. Remember that? Same with the 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these boxes. These 3 boxes, there are 2. No 2 in those 2 boxes. So we have a pair, the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. That means 4 boxes left. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6s in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 here, 6 there. Let me see. 6, 6. How about 6, 5? These 3 boxes. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. Yes, we see a 3 here. No 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only 1 place left for the 3. It should be there. The 2 and the 5 are missing. The 2 and the 5 in this column. The 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 here. No 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be the 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the column next, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. We have a 7 now. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this last column for the number 5. 5 in this third row. 5 in that in the first row. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left for this big square. For the number 6 and 9, we have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. We have a 6 now, so this cannot be any 6 anymore. So 6 goes here. And then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 7 goes there. 1 number left in this second row for the number 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then these 2 numbers are left for this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 1 goes there, 1 number left in the third row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. These 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here. The 5 goes and there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finished in 30 minutes exactly. Thank you for watching. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku in the additional of this newspaper, a Sudoku with 2 stars. So, see you later. Bye bye.